In this video, I will show you how to change your Binance name. So first of all, open up your Binance app, and if you aren't started yet, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get started for free and to earn a nice welcome bonus up to $100 in free crypto. So anyway, let's dive into the video right now by clicking on the Binance icon at the top left from our home screen. And in here we can see our username, and right now it is set to user A5597. So let's say that we want to change this, then we're going to click on this username. And in here we can see under account info the username, and we see an icon at the end, and this indicates that we can change it. So let's go ahead and click on this icon, this pencil icon. And as you can see, we can change our nickname in here. And please note that you can change your nickname only once per 30 days. So go ahead and change it to what you want. So I'm going to change it to this. So right now I'm going to click on save. And please note, as I already said, that you can only change this once per 30 days. So please be sure that you want to change it. So I'm going to click on continue. And right now my profile is successfully updated. So now we can go back, and now we can see when we refresh that our username is changed. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.